I'm craving a donut. If I would stop craving, I wouldn't have to be contouring my jaw. I literally just got out of the shower. I put just like all my hair products in. I'll blow dry probably later on because it's still like soaking wet. It's like 9:30 right now. I am going to get ready with the Mario Badescu rose water. So I actually got some samples from Sephora yesterday. Shout out to Philly. And I wanted to try out the NARS light reflecting foundation because everybody's been using it, and then the Natural Radiant in Syracuse. So they're both in Syracuse. I've tried the Natural Radiant before and I loved it. It's just the shades were really orange on me. So I'm trying Syracuse because I tried Valencia and I tried Aruba, but maybe Syracuse will work. It's the Ordinary Niacinamide. This is going to help with my pores, especially before makeup. I also want to show you guys this. I don't show this often, but I do this mainly if I'm getting ready in the morning. This is a roller. I got it from Walgreens. And pretty much, since my house is so cold, I don't need to put this in the freezer because it's already cold. So I get puffy around my cheekbones right here. And I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I do it anyway. I'm going to use this transition palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I always talk about this. I love this palette so much. I'm going with this color. This is in the shade Coal. It's a little dark, but it's not that bad. In with my Got To Be, just like a regular spoolie, and brush up. Cool. Okay, we're just gonna leave the brows. I don't know what's going on with this brow, but it's looking great. Anyways, I'm gonna go in and have the lids. I'm just using the Kimchi Chic Beauty The Most concealer in shade Medium Beige. This is pretty light for a medium beige. Usually medium beige is like a medium skin tone, but I don't know. This is pretty light. Use the Huda Beauty powder. Everyone asks like, what is this? It's literally just the travel size version of the powder. So I'm going in with Caramel. It's like this taupey brown shade. And going in the crease. And then I'm going to take a more, that's how I explain it. It's like a more tapered like crease brush. So if you want to look at it compared to this fluffy one, it's a little more tapered and it gets into the crease very well. Go in with Toffee, and that's that like neutral brown shade. Going in the crease. I don't know, I feel like just eyeshadow in general is like my least favorite part, which is why I love palettes like this where it's super simple. I don't like going too crazy with colors and all that. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner, which I've been using eyeliner, guys. If you know me, I don't really use eyeliner. I'm like drifting off to the side. This is a Sephora Collection waterproof eyeliner in matte brown black, and it's literally just like a dark brown. So I just make a little itty bitty wing. It's not a full-on wing. I just smudge it out. You see how messy this is? That's what we want. We want messy. We don't want perfect, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with a black version. This is pretty much the black version of the brown one. And I go in the waterline. So now what this is gonna do, when I put lashes on and mascara, it's gonna make it look darker and fuller. Now that the eyeshadow is pretty much done, I'm gonna go in with the face product, I'm gonna go in with the face, which is my favorite part. For primer, I'm going to use the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. I've actually been really liking this. I've never used a gripping primer before. It pretty much grips onto your foundation so it lasts longer. And you can see like it kind of sticks. So I wanted to use Natural Radiant today from NARS, but I might just try the light reflecting because why not? because everybody's been talking about it. I just want to see what the hype is about. So you guys are going to see my first reaction. This is the sample of it. This is in Syracuse. I'm using my Sephora collection brush, foundation brush. So it's like actually, I really like the coverage. I forgot to correct. I keep forgetting to correct, and it's just annoying. I keep forgetting. So I'm correcting here. Using the Kimchi Beauty in dark yellow. The reason why I have to do this is because sometimes you can see in my videos that I have like gray dark spots, not dark spots. I have like gray pigment or like dark pigment around my mouth, and it drives me crazy. I'm using a fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the M511. So any like fluffy brush, it's like stained yellow because I use this to blend out. And I just set it. And no, it's not gonna make your foundation look cakey or like weird or anything. It just sets it, and so it doesn't move. I'm gonna go on top. My family and I have been obsessed with Encanto. Like, I'm sure everyone has watched the movie. Everyone's on Encanto TikTok. I have a huge crush on Lin-Manuel Miranda. I think he's just freaking genius. Rose water again. I'm spraying my beauty blender because I'm too lazy to go to the bathroom. And I'm going over the foundation. So the reason why I go in with both of them is the foundation is going to pack on the coverage and just apply the foundation very smoothly without wasting any product, because if I go in with the beauty blender initially, it just picks up so much product and I'm using more product and I don't want to do that. So I go in with this and then I go in with the beauty blender and blend everything. The NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This is nothing new, but I just have a tip. I was wearing a ponytail the other day and I was like, wow, I look really snatched, and because everything was just lifted up this way. So when you do concealer, lift it up because it's going to give you that snatched look. Going in with the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in Always Sunny. I love this stuff. It goes on very beautifully, very velvety, and dries down like a powder, which I really like. I'm just putting it in the back of my hand. Like, I don't like drawing lines anymore because it takes forever to blend out. I was doing that for a minute and I was like, wait, why am I doing that? Like, why does my makeup look harsh? Like, it was looking real harsh and I was like, no, what am I doing? What am I doing? I was a firm believer of like not drawing lines, and then I just started doing it again. I was like, what are you doing? Also, it's kind of like mixed with the foundation, so it makes it a little more natural. We're gonna go in with contour. So first we went with bronzer, now we're gonna go in with contour. My LA Girl Pro Conceal in dark cocoa. Like, it's very neutral and it's gonna give you that like contour. Because you see like the shadow, that's exactly what I'm going to put over. And then go under your double chin. Duh. I'm craving a donut. If I would stop craving, I wouldn't have to be contouring my jaw. I'm not even saying what I'm using. This is the Real Techniques 200 brush. I'm getting like these bumps under the eye. I don't know if you can see it. You know what I've been obsessed with? Oh my gosh, Lori Harvey. I've been obsessed with her makeup. Oh my gosh, her face is just so beautiful. Her Vogue, I think it's her Vogue video where she did like her 90s inspired like makeup, or her like everyday makeup routine. Oh my gosh, I've watched that like 10 times and I will continuously watch it because it's just so satisfying. This brush is in the number A29 and I'm just going in with whatever is left and contouring my nose. This is the Patrick Ta blush in the shade She's That Girl. I've been obsessed with this. I've used this all the time. I didn't know you're supposed to put the powder and then the cream. I'm still going to put the cream first because it's just a force of habit. I'm going to go in, warm it up with my finger, and then put it on the back of my hand. And then apply from here. Go in. Cute. Okay, we're gonna go in with powder. I've been obsessed with my Huda powder. This is in banana bread. Just putting some in my hand. Then taking my puff. And I kind of like blend it in and press. I'm just pressing. I'm not baking yet. I'm just setting the face. Okay. I just want to show you the difference. Like how much powder makes a difference and how flawless it is. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever powder. This is in the shade 4.0. Like I said, I'm a little bit tan right now, so this has been a great setting powder. I'm just setting around the face before I go in with like powder blush, powder contour, powder bronzer. Okay, so that's that. Now we're gonna go in with powder blush and bronzer. Are these steps necessary? Totally. Especially if you want like that flawless base and for it to last long. Like, I never touch up unless like I'm eating something greasy or like this all comes off with any like food or whatever. Like if I'm eating and like this comes off, that's the only thing I'll touch up, and my lipstick. But other than that, I don't have like blush in my purse to touch up throughout the day. I don't have bronzer in my purse to touch up. Like I just don't have time to do that, which is why layering everything just gives that like flawless base. I've been going with the Patrick Ta powder blush, and then I go on top to get that like baby doll look. This is in Winter Kiss from Kylie, and I go right here. Like probably right under where you would normally put highlight. This is the One Size Beauty translucent powder. Gonna go with that puff again and bake under the eye. And then I'm gonna go in with the hack that I use on my Instagram and TikTok. So Die Pretty, you guys know I talk about Erin all the time. I use this for my contour hack. Going in with Fenty bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie, and with a MAC, oh I don't even know what brush this is. MAC 140 SES brush. Just a fan brush. That's pretty much it. Tap off the excess. And then go in here. So I just want to show you guys how it looks now. It's pretty contoured, but I'm going to go even more contoured. And I'm blending. Just like, does that make a difference? Like, to me it makes a difference, but like I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I go in with whatever's left on my blush brush. This is the Makeup by Ariel A22, and blend here. Oh, aren't these so cute? Kimchi Chic Beauty. This is the Hollywood Glow. Oh my god, I just dug my finger. Oh my god, I hate when that fucking happens. Okay, now it's over my pants. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very blind. So if you're into blind highlights, this is your highlighter. I'm going in with that gold shade and just highlighting here. If you ever overdo it, just go in with your blush brush. I've been loving the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional palette. This is how it looks, right? Oops, I'm at the show. It looks so pretty, but this shade right here, oh my gosh. Like, it's so pretty. I don't like my nose to be like blinding, but I like my inner corners to be blinding. And I've just been liking the highlighted brow shade. And I kind of press the brush like that, and so it makes it flat. Go under. I could use another brush for it, like a smudgy brush, but I don't know, I've just been doing this. It's just a pointed fluffy brush, and I'm pressing that powder in. Not sweeping it away, I'm just pressing it in. This is the KKW Beauty brightening powder in number 2. It's a pink powder. She doesn't make this anymore, and it probably has for a long time, but this is what I use to get that bright under eye. I go in with the puff again. I know these steps are all extra, but this is how I do my makeup. The One Size Until Dawn waterproof setting spray. My favorite setting spray ever. It just smells pretty bad. The reason why I did that first is because when I put lashes on, I don't want the setting spray to go on lashes. So yeah. The Kiss Lashes in Ruffle. I just, how do I explain this? So pretty much I just cut this in half, and then I kind of take off the ends where it fits my eye shape, and so it's in like 2 pieces like this. So this is the before, and this is the after. Take a piece of lash. I go in with the Duo Quick Set Lash Glue, and I go on top of the lash. I don't know if you guys can see, but go on top. Once it gets tacky enough, I go underneath the eyelash, just like that, and kind of push it up, just like that. The reason why I do it like this, I don't curl it, I don't put mascara. It's just gonna stick to your natural lashes. And at the end of the night, please like use my micellar water to like remove it, because I literally removed it without it, like just like ripped it off, and like my eyelashes came out. So don't do that. Use it like a an oil-based cleanser to, not oil-based cleanser. Use an oil-based makeup remover to loosen the glue so it can slide off, and you don't risk like losing your lashes. So like I said, the reason why I like doing this is because it's more comfortable this way. Like I don't even feel like I'm wearing eyelashes. 2, I don't like the look of when you put eyelashes on top, like traditionally, you can see the band, and I don't like that, especially when you look down or like when you're in front of people. I don't know, it's just not my vibe. It does take a little bit of practice, but trust me, once you get it, it is like life-changing. So I'm just taking an eyelash curler and gently just curling the lashes, kind of fusing the lashes together since we don't have mascara on. Okay, so that's pretty much the lashes. Okay, so at this point, this is where I start to see what I need to add to the eyes. If I need to like go darker, do I need to add anything? Which I feel like I need to add a little bit more color, and I'm going to mix the shades Hazelnut and Mocha, which is right here, these 2 like round shades, just defining the crease a little bit. So this has been like my everyday combo, and it's only lip liners. So this is in the shade Vanilla Bean from Kimchi Chic Beauty, and then I use Honey. I'm just gonna line my lips, and then I take Honey liner and go in the middle. It's literally the perfect lip shade for me. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go do my hair really quick, and I'll come back to close out the video. Okay, so hair is looking real big. That's pretty much it for the makeup look. I hope you guys liked it and learned some new tips and tricks. Let me know what you guys want to see next down below. Please like and subscribe. Follow my TikTok and Instagram because I'm more active there than I am on YouTube. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on the hair, because I would love to do that for you guys. I love you guys so much. I will see you soon. Bye.